So, back to doing some jumping.
Yep.
You.
Sige, what?
What?
Yo, we out here. We're jumping off a bridge and stuff today. We got the boys. Instagram.
Bro, I got 397.
Yeah.
No mouth, son.
No mouth, son. And you all know me. But yeah, so we're out here today. We're gonna jump this bridge that I've seshed quite a lot in my life. But it is super fun. It's gonna be a good day. As you can see, all suited up. Time to do it.
Let's get it.
Hey, yo, new trick, who this? Oh shit. So guys, slept in the woods last night. That's pretty fucking cool. We are currently on our way to a waterfall that I've been wanting to hit for years, but I've never really had a good crew to hit it with, and the depth is really sketchy, so I've kind of always just put it off, but today we're gonna go check it out, and I'm hoping we can at least find a pocket, even if it's a little sketchy. I plan on doing it because I really want it, and it's super gorgeous, and like no one has jumped it. I've never seen any videos of anyone flipping it, so it's gonna be really dope.
Gang shit.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on